I'm back with the same laptop that we worked on yesterday, the Asus laptop. I uploaded the video last night, but I posted the video this morning. I could not wait for the video to upload to YouTube, so I left it uploading at night and I posted the video in the morning. If you recall, we replaced the charging connector on the laptop. But after doing so, we lost image on the screen. We were not getting an image and no backlight. Initially, when we got this laptop in, I tried it and I was able to see an image onto the screen. But after replacing the charging connector, for some reason, we lost image on the screen. I connected an external monitor and we were able to see an image on an external monitor. So what happened? I posted the video and today we got a lot of comments. I went over all the comments, every single comment, and I can tell you people are hallucinating. Maybe people looked at the board so much, they started to see things. One person wrote, I see a missing component. Another person wrote, I see a cracked component. One person wrote, is that a crack on the MOSFET? One person wrote, check 2415. And one person wrote, check 2624, whatever. Everybody had his own view of what is wrong with this board. And you have others who are just parrots. They copy. If somebody left a comment, check 2415, you will see 600 million comments. Check 2415, check 2415, check 2415, check 2415. And if you look at 2415, there's nothing. There's only a component with Flux on top. But people like to get involved. They like to be in the scene and they copy and leave the same comment. And you have others who write comments like, I think the problem is this. I think if you reflow that chip. I think if you go to the I/O chip. I think the thinking part, not based on any facts whatsoever. And you have others who have absolutely no idea what's going on. But end of the day, I appreciate every single comment. I appreciate every single one of you who left a comment. I'm just telling you what I read. Today, I went over the laptop again, and the laptop is fixed. The laptop is fixed because of a comment that I read. So comments do help. I'm going to go over that comment, and I'll show you what went wrong with the laptop when we replaced the charging connector. So we have a comment here by OL Dirty or OI or O1. I do not know why people like to choose difficult names and not easy names, easy to remember names. I cannot tell if this is I or L or whatever. But anyway, the viewer left a comment. Take a look at 745. You accidentally worked away too much solder from one pad. Without continuing the comment or reading the comment, I just clicked on the 745 to see what's going on at 745. If you look here, and I do not know if you can see my mouse cursor on the screen, but you see something here, right over the first hole on the left, right over it. The viewer said that I may have wicked off solder from here. This was bridged, and I may have wicked off that solder. Now this is very close to the pin, so that's possible. What I did is I went over the donor board. I wanted to see what's that thing over the first hole on the left. I could not tell. Let me go over it so I can show you. I mean, some viewers have really good eyes. Amazing. That viewer nailed it. And a lot more followed on his comment. That's the donor board. We removed the port from here and we soldered the port on to the customer's board. If you look here, let me grab a tweezer. If you look here, maybe we can clean a bit because this board is dirty to begin with. It's a donor board. So if you look here, we have 3 dots, right? We have 3 dots. What I did when I was wicking off solder from the holes, I accidentally got rid of the solder here. So what's the big deal if I got rid of the solder here? Well, this solder is actually bridging 2 traces. Unbelievable, right? I'm gonna grind the V on the bottom. I wanna show you what's going on. And I'm gonna desolder that blob to show you how that blob is what connects the 2 lines together. Oh. Okay, I already did it. Let me clean up so I can show you what I did. So now what I did is I desoldered the blob in the middle and I grinded the V on the bottom. I wanted to show you that this via if we test in beep mode or continuity mode, we're going to get a beep from here to here. This is a continuous path from the pin all the way to here. So this is one straight line all the way to the pin. I do not know why the factory chose to put a blob to connect two lines rather than make just one whole line from here all the way to here. I mean, why hold your ear like this when you can do it like this, right? So now if we check from this via all the way to this pin, you will see that we have no continuous path. The line was broken because we removed that blob. So that's what happened. I was desoldering the hole and I accidentally removed the blob which connects this to this, which connects the via all the way to the pin. Right now, one more time, from the via to the pin, we do not have a continuous path. So the line is broken. And that's what the viewer was referring to, 745. What I did is I joined those two lines with a tiny wire with a pad strip. I'll show you what I did. Pull up the LVDS cable so you can see what's going on under. And that's what I did. Okay, look at this here. Focus. I joined the pads via this pad strip, via this wire. So now if we test from this via all the way to the pin, we have a continuous path. And that fixed the problem. That tiny blob fixed the problem. Great job to that person who pointed me to that missing blob that is connecting two lines together. That fixed the problem. And to everybody else who left a comment, I really thank you very much. We have a very active community, and a lot of times I fix devices because of you, because of your comments. So this device is now fixed. The laptop is on, and the laptop is fully charged. We kept it on the charger for maybe 2 hours, and the laptop is fully charged. Right here. Okay? The laptop is fixed. So, happy ending. Part 2 is a happy ending. That's it. We're going to end the video right here. Let me know what you think. Leave it down in the comments. If you have questions not relating to this laptop, you can log into our forum, NorthridgeFix.com. Click on forum, leave your questions there. And I always respond when I have time. We have a lot of smart people on the forum that may be able to answer your questions and help you out as well. We're going to end the video right here, and I will see you again in the next video.